This is a brand new speedometer. First used today. I fitted it yesterday. First time it's been used today. I've done about 30-35 miles on it. With it on, I mean. Well, no, nearly 40 now. And it's not been working properly since after about 3-4 miles. Excuse me. No, I can. It doesn't matter what I do. No, it's locked on the 3 satellites. It's still not working. It just freezes up. It'll unfreeze itself at some point. Sometimes it freezes at the speed you're doing. Sometimes it freezes at 0 mile an hour. Sometimes it freezes in POS, which, sorry to offend the speedo, but you know, is what I think of it right now, to be honest. Anyway, there you go. If you do get a chance to get this speedometer, then avoid it. You can see the issues I've got with it. I've wasted 50 quid on it. It was just under £50. And as you can tell, it's useless. And I'm probably not going to get that 50 quid back now, because if I'm really lucky, the seller might turn around and say, because I got it on eBay, the seller might turn around and say, well, we'll knock a little bit of the cost off, because they do that sometimes if you have a faulty item. But I don't want a little bit knocked off the price. I want one that works or a full refund. But I'm pretty sure I won't get either of those. And if I do get it replaced, what's the chances that the same thing happens again? So anyway, I'm a little bit miffed at that, and I wanted to just make a quick video. So if any of you are thinking about getting a GPS speedo, avoid that one.